Hey guys, welcome back. Vaibhav Nigam here. I get a lot of messages on my Instagram. I get a lot of messages, I get a lot of DMs in which you guys ask, especially all the young people out there, that sir, I don't feel motivated. I'm clueless. I don't have any visions. How am I going to achieve that goal? What should I do? I feel so demotivated. Can you please help me? Can you please inspire me more? Can you please motivate me? I get so many messages and I thought, this is like the new year. We are in the vibe of becoming a better version of ourselves. So I thought, why not make a detailed video on in this year, 2021, that how can we be motivated in this year so that we can achieve all the greatness, all the success that we desire. As I'm just a human being with only two hands, it's next to impossible to message, to reply all of you. So I'm making this detailed video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 points, a very important 5 points that you should be listening till the end, till all the 5 points so that you can understand each and everything completely. And believe me, if you're going to implement all these 5 steps in your life on a daily basis, then you will feel motivated by the end of this video. I can assure you that. Forget about this year 2021. Forget about the new year, new me bullshit. It really doesn't matter when you are watching this video. Today, when it is uploaded, or probably by the end of this 2021. When you feel motivated from within, from inside, that's the day when you are reborn. That's like a new year to you. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything completely. The number one step is to change your environment. This is probably one of the most easiest steps that you should be doing right here, right now, after completing this video, that you should change your environment. I'm not talking about that you should change your home, change your city, change your country, change your parents. Some things are not in our hands, right? But there are many other things that we can change. We all are human beings, right? And we feel frustrated by time. That's a very common thing. Even I feel frustrated a lot because there are many things that I want to achieve and somewhere down the line, it never fulfilled my expectations. So it's always a great idea to go outdoor for 3 to 5 days so that you can change the entire environment. But when you come back, you might be feeling the same. Well, that's not the idea. You don't have to go outdoors so that you can change your environment. We should be doing right here, right now. How? By changing your own lifestyle. Yes. That's the most quickest and the most easiest thing that you should be doing right now. At what time did you wake up today? Let's say you wake up at 8 a.m. So from tomorrow, start waking up at 7:30 a.m. Are you exercising? Then from today onwards or from tomorrow onwards, you should start exercising for 20 minutes. I'm not asking you to go to the gym and start building a six-pack abs. No, just a normal running, a normal stretching that can do wonders to your body. Start eating healthy. Because I know all these processed foods, all these fast foods can actually dent your brain. Yeah, that's true. It can easily dent your brains and make you feel demotivated all the time. But eating healthy will always boost your metabolism. Try to meditate on a daily basis. Everybody has 10 to 15 minutes. Nobody's that busy, right? Start doing all these things in your life. Shifting your time and energy in the positivity will help you out in giving you all the motivation and all the inspiration. If you watch Netflix today for 1 hour, from tomorrow onwards, promise yourself that you're going to watch it for only 30 minutes. If you're playing video games for 1 hour, from the next day, cut it down for 30 minutes. And use all these free times in doing something or the other that will help you out and push you towards the goal, towards the dream that you really want, that you really crave. That will give you a boost of energy, a positivity that will help you out and push you towards a better lifestyle that will automatically make you feel motivated. So change your environment. The number 2 step is to don't think about your 5-year goals. See, many people ask you where you are seeing yourself in 5 years. Don't think about it. Don't you dare think about it. So if I take my example, I want to be something or the other, a very huge thing probably. And that scares me right now. And that's very genuine. It's a very common thing, right? So if we are thinking about what's going to happen in the coming 5 years, all these thoughts that scares us will bring you towards negativity. And then you're going to start asking these negative questions. Am I worthy? Will I be able to achieve all these goals? And then you're going to crush all your dreams and you're going to feel demotivated right away. So right now, you don't have to think about your 5-year goals. What you should be doing, you need to make sure that you are better than yesterday. If you have studied for 3 hours, make sure from today onwards you're gonna stretch it for half an hour more. If you wasted watching YouTube videos for 1 hour, make sure to cut it down for half an hour. Start writing it in a journal that what are the things that you are doing. Are you wasting your time or not? Write it down. Understand how you are running the day. Is it worth it or not? You should have daily goals and make sure that you achieve it on a daily basis. In that way, you will be better than yesterday and you will feel motivated automatically. Do you know on an average, a human thinks around 60 to 70,000 thoughts? Yes, we think around 60 to 70,000 thoughts in 24 hours. And 90% of all that thoughts are recycled from day before. So if you have the negative mindset, then it is coming back to the next day also. So it's our job to reach our goals so that we can have a positivity inside us. If you're not thinking about the 5 years goals because that's too far away, if you're thinking about today's goal and if you achieve it, you will feel good about it, right? And then your mind will be filled with positivity. So don't think about your 5-year plan and think about today's goal right here, right now. By exceeding all your goals on a daily basis, you will be successful. Believe me, it will happen. Number 3 is to follow your passion. This is probably one of the most important things that you need to understand. So let's say you belong to a typical Indian middle class family and your parents, your friends, your siblings, they want you to be an engineer. Usual, right? But your heart lies in music. So what's going to happen? You might become engineer because of the society pressure, but deep down inside, you will not be happy. You will not be motivated. How could you be motivated? Because your heart lies in the music. You want to play music instruments. You want to play the guitar. That drives you crazy. That's the motivation that you need. And while working as an engineer, you will drain yourself towards negativity, being motivated all the time. So it's your job to totally understand that what drives you crazy, what is your passion, and that only comes from within, from your inside. You guys are young kids right now, and it's very important to follow your heart, follow your passion. And if you're gonna do it, you will automatically feel motivated. So follow your passion. Number 4, read motivational books. The best thing that you're gonna do to yourself is to read good books. If you're not much into reading, then you can listen to the podcast. If you don't like podcast, you can listen or watch motivational videos. If you're not into motivational videos, you can listen to the epic Hollywood soundtracks like Hans Zimmer's. There are many other options that can give you pump up and energy so that you can have motivation inside you. By reading good books, you get a lot of ideas, you get a lot of inspiration. You see how people change their life from rag to riches. From listening to podcasts, by listening to motivational videos, you feel the energy to thrive towards excellence, towards greatness, which give you positivity in your life. By closing your eyes, headphones in your ears, by listening to the epic motivational soundtracks, you always feel pumped up to doing things. So this is a kind of environment that you should be mending yourself, your lifestyle, so that you can transform your own self. Because if you have a positive environment, you will automatically feel motivated. Because from inside, you're already pumped up and want to achieve greatness in your life. So motivation will come automatically. So always try to indulge yourself in all the good things, with books, with podcasts, with motivational videos, with motivational music. Do it. Last but not the least, and probably one of the most important point is to have a goal. 99% of the population actually don't know what they are doing in their life. They are just following the leaders, that's it. If you don't have a firm goal in your life, how could you expect to be motivated? You won't. You will be studying something that you probably hate. You will then start doing a job that you will hate more. And then you're going to follow the leaders. Whatever your boss is saying, you're going to follow it. And just like that, your life will be over. But if you have a firm goal, like this is something that I really want in my life, like a tunnel vision, you are sure about it, that I'm going to do it no matter what, then the motivation will come automatically. Then you got to try to understand that this is something that I really want, that I really crave from my life, and I'm going to achieve it no matter what. So with this kind of mindset, you will achieve greatness in your life. So I hope you understand all these 5 pointers, and I hope you're going to implement all these things in your life. Let me know in the comment section what you feel, and I wish from the bottom of my heart that you're going to implement all these things and will be successful in your life. And I hope this 2021 will give you all the richness and all the success that you truly deserve. I hope you're liking my videos. If you do, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.